sister.
Hi, my name is Sahana.
Welcome to the world of art. Today we are going to be making Lucky Charm edible slime.
And we can eat it too.
Let's get started. So all the ingredients we will be needing is some marshmallows, some Lucky Charms, candy, for decoration. We have some Skittles. We have some Skittles and Smarties and sprinkles. And we will be needing some bowls. The first thing we are going to be doing is taking out the marshmallows. And we're going to be putting them all inside of the... Okay, there we go. Sticky. So sticky. Okay. And now, we are going to get out some Lucky Charms. But don't get out the cereal, just get out the marshmallows so it can give some color and some flavor. This one. Help me. All right. Okay, now it's time to microwave it for 50 seconds. Microwave. I can't just put this in. Start. All right, and now we'll be microwaving. This is how it should be looking, and since it's still a little chunky, we are going to be mixing it up because it needs to be looking like glue. It's starting to look like the glue of slime, right? Looks so sticky. Okay. You can help me too. Oh, it smells so funny. Ew. Ooh. Oh, I see the color. Whoa! Look at all that color. Hey, they're melting too, though. Yeah. Look at all those. It's still very sticky. Now it's starting to look like slime, see? Yeah. Yeah, it smells funny. Ew. Can we eat it? Yeah, of course. You can eat it still. Okay, now since it's all got into a little color, mix it now. And until then, let's get the treat. Ooh, look at all that. Okay, that's very hot, so don't touch it. Woo, look at all that. Okay, now it's time to put on some toppings. I'm gonna put some Skittles. Red, orange, yellow. Very sticky and hot. All right, I think that's good. And Skittles. Ooh, thanks. Now let's put on some Smarties. Sprinkles. We're going to use a nice pink pixie dust. There we go. Oh, pixie dust. I'll just go. Oh, I messed up. Okay, there we go. Are you ready to try it? It's so good. Do you think so too? It's almost like bubble gum. Yeah. It's so chewy. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you later!